Good day, students. Kids, practice your drawing lessons from your art book and watch my today's video very carefully as we will do revision and also a new chapter. So kids, first let's revise our chapters design using shapes, in which we used basic shapes such as square, rectangle, triangle and circle to a design doormat, and also we design using shape rakhi. We even learned craft, which was origami house and sitting dog, in which we learned basic folds, mountain fold and valley fold. Do watch these videos again. In previous class, you remembered we studied step-by-step drawing of sheep and owl by following steps. Revise that too. So kids, now you know what is the meaning of step-by-step. Yes, you are right. Working on something one step at a time. For example, staircase and words. 1-letter word, 2-letter word and 3-letter words. Students, you must be knowing about boats which sail in water. There are 53 types of boats and ships. So, sailboats have 4 basic parts: a hull, an underwater fin, also called the keel or centerboard, a mast, and a sail. Look here at the picture. It shows there is a hull, a mast, and a sail. These are some types of boats. It is a raft, a rowboat, a sailboat, a motorboat, and a canoe, which is also called as paddle boat. So today we will learn step-by-step drawing of a boat on page number 2 in your art book. Which is a type of a sailboat. So, let's watch the video and learn to draw a boat by step-by-step method. Look here, we will draw the boat step by step as shown on the left side. I am drawing with the help of a scale. You can also use a scale or a ruler. First trace along the dotted line with the pencil and then with the black sketch pen or black pencil color. Just follow the dots very carefully. Draw along the dots very carefully with the pencil first and then with the black sketch pen or black pencil color. This is the second step of a sail. Follow the steps shown on the left side and also practice the steps shown here with the help of pencil in your rough book or any old drawing book. So this is done with the pencil. Now same way, trace along with the black sketch pen or a black pencil color. Draw it very neatly and slowly. You just have to follow the dots. Now we will start with the coloring. I will color the pole first. And the flag. Color the edges first and then the inner part in one hand motion. Look here as I am doing coloring. Color the edges and then the inner part in one hand motion. Here I am using upward and downward motion. I am using wax crayons. You can also use oil pastels. Do not use sketch pen in your art book. And for the bottom of the board, I will left and right motion. Finally, we will color the water. Now this is done. This should be your final drawing. Complete this in the art book and also practice the step-by-step method shown on the left side in any of your rough book or old drawing book. So kids, study well and practice all the chapters mentioned in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.